Cool stuff.
Back here at home, very cold stuff we're talking about, those temperatures out there.
Yeah, Rob Elvington joins us now in the Storm Tracker Weather Center. And Rob, I'm just trying to find out when I can get my pool open back up for this year. Anytime soon?
How does late May sound? Memorial Day weekend sounds great. Also not a great lake day right now. Look at Guntersville right now, overcast skies, temperature at 32 degrees. And we may see that temperature drop a little bit here at the next update because, of course, Guntersville, one of those last spots to see the cold front move through. It's also windy out there, so you just don't want to be on those open bodies of water here for your Thursday. Oh, look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We have overcast skies, a little bit of sun trying to break through right now closer to the Mississippi state line. But thankfully, we are dry, so we're not seeing any wintry weather right now in North Alabama. Keep in mind, if you're doing some traveling over the next couple of days, if you get closer to parts of North Georgia into South Carolina and North Carolina, what's left of our cold front will also help to develop a winter storm. So there's going to be some big snow and ice totals for areas off to the east. So just keep that in mind if you're traveling through this upcoming weekend. Wind gusts right now, again, not a great boating day. Look at these winds from out of the north, gusting to around 20 to 25 miles per hour. You add on those gusty winds to the air temperature, those wind chills much lower. There's look at those forecast winds through the rest of today. You'll notice still right around 25 miles per hour through this evening. So if you're trying to get out to maybe walk the dog, just bundle up because it is going to be bitterly cold all the way through late tonight and into your Friday morning. Here's a look at those wind chills all the way through tonight and into your Friday morning. Feeling like the teens by about 6 o'clock this evening. And then by tomorrow morning, it is possible if we have some higher wind gusts that we could see some wind chills briefly dropping down into the upper single digits. So just a brutally cold finish to the work week. Day planner for tomorrow, we should make it back above freezing by the middle of the afternoon for your Friday. Highs right around the mid-30s, maybe a little bit more sunshine by the late afternoon hours, but just a cold finish to the work week. Look at our future radar. This is right around 4 o'clock this afternoon, overcast skies. We are dry. It is still possible, though, by tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, that we could have a few flurries, maybe a snow shower or two, drift close to the state line. So right by Jackson and DeKalb County, those chances are pretty low, but you may run into that if you are traveling off to the eastern parts of Tennessee and Georgia. This is 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, maybe finishing the day with a little bit of sunshine before the sun goes down. And then, of course, once the sun goes down, the temperatures are going to drop. Actual temperatures by Saturday morning likely down into the upper teens and with wind chills back down to the single digits. Here's a look at the precipitation forecast. This takes us through the next 48 hours. Again, maybe a flurry or two comes close to the state line. Not expecting much. Again, no concern about those roads with any light snow showers or flurries. Through the next 5 days, this includes our next system on Tuesday. Now, still a lot of questions with this, but right now you'll notice the greens on the map. That's indicating closer to about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. It's even possible that maybe we could see a little bit of a wintry mix. Still a lot of questions again as we get closer to Tuesday of next week. But look at that 7-day forecast. Again, 19 for a low on Saturday morning. We are back up into the low 40s for your Saturday afternoon with mostly sunny skies, and then closer to 50 by Sunday and Monday. But that's about the best we can do through the next 7 days. Once that next system comes through on Tuesday, we're back down into the low to mid 40s, and look at that Wednesday morning low back down into the mid 20s. So yeah, January doing what January does, right?
All right, at least it's seasonal.